how to turn off green dot on Android devices. So while turning on your camera, if you have the green dot option on the upper right, so for example, I'll show you. So if you open up your camera, any app's camera, here on the upper right you can see the green bar or the green dot right on the upper right. So if you want to turn off the green dot which is on the upper right, then what you need to do is simply remove your camera, and then you can go for your settings, and here you may have developer options. So search for developer options. If you don't find that option, you need to simply go for the search icon which is on the upper right, and then you can search for developer. Or if you have searched for the developer option and if you can't find the developer option, then you can simply go for your sensors. So if you have the developer option, you can go for your developer option, and then you will have sensors option under your developer. You need to simply turn off your sensors. Once you turn off your sensors, that green dot will be disappeared. So in Samsung devices, you may have the developer options right here. But if you don't find the developer options or the sensors option, then what you need to do is you need to simply scroll down, and you need to simply go for the upper right for the search bar and then search for software information. Once you're beyond the software information, you need to again tap on software information, and here you will have build number, right? So in some devices like in Vivo or some other phones, you will have this build number option. Simply tap on the build number 7 times, and here you need to enter your PIN. Once you've entered, now you are a developer, or your developer mode has been turned on. So once you've turned on the developer mode, now go back, and you can again go back, and here you can go for the system option. Tap on system, and under system you will have developer options right here. Tap on the developer options, and once you're here on the developer options, now you may have a green dot option. So you need to simply go for the green dot if you have that green dot option, and then you need to turn off your green dot. So that's how you can remove the green dot on your Android devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.